Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of power tools and bringing you our top 5 best belt sanders that are crushing it in 2025. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional woodworker, or just need a reliable tool for smooth finishes, this list has something for everyone. We've tested, compared, and handpicked these sanders based on performance, durability, and value for money. And don't worry, all product links are down in the description box, so you can check out the latest prices and grab the one that's right for you. So buckle up, let's get sanding. Number 5. Jella's Belt Sander. The Jella's BS750 SD Belt Sander is a powerful tool made for sanding wood. It runs on a 7-amp motor and uses a 3x21-inch sanding belt. The speed can be changed with a knob, ranging from 120 to 400 RPM. This helps you pick the right speed for different jobs. This sander can be used 2 ways. Use it as a handheld sander or turn it over and fix it to a table with the metal clamps. This lets it work like a bench sander. A lock-on button lets you sand without holding the trigger all the time. It comes with 10 sanding belts and 5 grits: 40, 60, 80, 120, and 180. These belts are good for both rough and fine sanding. They also save you money since you don't need to buy extra right away. The dust bag is easy to take off and clean. It works better than a dust box because it has holes to let air out, stopping dust from going back into the motor. This helps the machine last longer. Always check the arrow on the sanding belt before putting it on. It should match the arrow on the sander. This keeps the belt from wearing out too fast or scratching the wood. Jella's also gives a 2-year support plan if you... Number 4. Craftsman Belt Sander. The Craftsman CMEW213 belt sander is strong and easy to use. It runs on a 7-amp motor and uses a 3x21-inch sanding belt. The belt design is angled, so it can sand close to edges and tight spots. This helps you reach areas that are usually hard to sand. This sander works fast, with a top speed of 800 feet per minute (FPM). It removes material quickly, which saves you time on big projects. You can also change belts fast with the tool-free release. No tools are needed, so switching belts is quick and simple. It has a built-in dust bag that collects dust while you work. This keeps your workspace clean and improves air quality. The dust bag is easy to empty and helps the sander run better for longer. For comfort, the handle has 3 positions. It also has a soft grip to reduce strain on your hands. This makes the sander easy to control during long jobs. The Craftsman CMEW213 is a great pick for anyone working with wood. It's fast, simple to use, and built to last. Number 3. SKIL Belt Sander. The SKIL 7510-2001 belt sander is easy to use and made for all types of wood. It runs on 6.0 amps of power, which is strong enough for most sanding jobs. It uses a 3x18-inch sanding belt that can reach tight spots and edges. You can sand up to the edge thanks to its flush design. One great feature is the pressure control. A light turns on when you press too hard. This helps you use the right pressure for better results and to avoid damage. The belt also stays in place with a special auto track system, so you don't have to adjust it often. This sander keeps your space clean, too. It has microfiltration that catches fine dust. It also works with most 1 1/4-inch vacuum hoses if you want even better dust control. The SKIL 7510-2001 is a smart choice for both new and experienced users. It's simple, powerful, and helps you get smooth, clean finishes every time. Number 2. WEN Belt Sander. The WEN 6321 belt sander is a strong and easy-to-use tool. It runs on a 7-amp motor that spins the sanding belt fast at over 13 feet per second. This means it removes paint, wood, and rough edges quickly. Whether you're fixing furniture or smoothing wood, this tool gets the job done fast. One great feature is its lightweight. It weighs just 6 pounds, so your arms won't get tired during use. The compact shape also helps you reach tight spots. The front roller sticks out a bit, letting you sand corners with ease. This sander is easy to use. It comes with a belt release lever to change the sandpaper quickly. There's also a knob to adjust the belt's position so it stays in place. The lock and switch lets you sand without holding down the trigger the whole time. To keep your workspace clean, it includes a detachable dust bag. This helps catch sawdust and keeps your area neat. The sander is also backed by a 2-year warranty and has support from a nationwide team of repair experts. The WEN6321 is perfect for DIYers and pros alike. It's strong, light, and easy to use. If you work with wood, this is a must-have tool. Remember WEN for power, comfort, and clean results every time. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Belt Sander. The DeWalt 20V Max Belt Sander is made for power and ease. It runs on a brushless motor, giving you up to 22% more power than some corded sanders. Since it's cordless, you can move freely while working on big or small projects. This sander gives you control. It has a variable speed trigger and a 25-speed dial. This means you can adjust the speed to match your task. Whether you're smoothing soft wood or grinding tough surfaces, it works well. Changing the sanding belt is quick and easy. It has a tool-free release system, so you don't waste time. The over-molded handle is designed for 2 hands, helping you work longer without strain. Dust is kept to a minimum. The tool works with DeWalt's airlock system, sold separately, which offers up to 95% dust collection. This keeps your workspace cleaner and healthier. The DeWalt 20V Max Asterisk Belt Sander has more sanding surface than many other models. It's great for big jobs, yet still works well on small tasks. You can also pair it with a DeWalt wireless vacuum for even better dust control. If you're a pro or a DIYer, this sander is a smart choice. It's strong, fast, and easy to use. With cordless power and top control, the DCW220B is built to handle tough jobs with ease.